Hello guys, this is the first video of Daily Turkish Notes. In this video we are gonna learn how to say hello and hi properly in Turkish. I'm gonna give you a lot of ways to say hi and hello. So let's get started. So if you want to say hi and hello, you can say selam, selam, selam, hi, selam, or merhaba, merhaba, merhaba, hello, merhaba, hello. Selamun aleyküm, selamun aleyküm. Peace be upon you. Of course, if you are Muslim, you know this. If you're not Muslim, then all those Turkish people who are practicing Muslims, they also use selamun aleyküm. And to reply that, they say aleyküm selam, aleyküm selam, aleyküm selam. Peace be upon you too. If you don't want to use this, you can just say selam or merhaba. Merhabalar, merhabalar, a more enthusiastic or plural form of hello, like a lot of hellos. Merhabalar. You can also say selamlar, selamlar. Selamlar is like greetings. It also means a lot of hi, plural or casual. Hoş geldin, hoş geldin, hoş geldin. Welcome. This is informal. It is used when someone arrives to your home or wherever you are waiting for someone. He or she comes, you can say hoş geldin, welcome. Hoş geldiniz, it is formal way. It is also used when someone arrives. It means welcome, formal. I hope you know what is the difference between formal and informal. So hoş, pleasant, geldin, you came. Günaydın, günaydın, günaydın, good morning. Günaydın, good morning. It is used in the morning. Gün, day, aydın, intellectual or enlightened. So it's like your day should become intellectual, enlightened. You're just wishing something good for them. So, günaydın, good morning. Günaydın. İyi günler, iyi günler, iyi günler, good day or good afternoon. İyi günler. Here, iyi, good, günler, days. İyi günler is like good days. So gün, one day, günler, a lot of days. İyi günler, good day, good afternoon. İyi akşamlar, iyi akşamlar, iyi akşamlar, good evening. İyi, good, akşamlar, evenings. So in Turkish they use plural form. It is the same thing like good evening. But of course it is Turkish, so every language has its own way to say something. So iyi akşamlar, good evenings. But in English, good evening. İyi geceler, iyi geceler, iyi geceler, good night. Here also, iyi good, geceler, nights. İyi geceler, good night. That's it for this video. I hope you like it. İzlediğiniz için teşekkür ederim. Thanks for watching.